Good afternoon. This is Oscar with Lone Star Bucket Trucks, and this video is just to show you how to turn the boom on and show you how to operate it. On this particular setup, you're gonna open the door, make sure your e-brake is down fully, and your master switch, which is the switch right here, is on. You don't have to have the key in the ignition for this boom to operate. Just those two. The emergency brake down and the master switch on. That's a little Onan generator that powers the boom. I already have the boom down because I'm going to show you how to operate it from the bucket, and it's easier for me to get in while it's down. All right here in this back corner, you're going to see the remote control unit for this setup. Tells you the functions like so. And now this is how you will turn it on. It's hard to do with one hand. We're gonna turn it on. You're gonna switch right here. It says push and hold to start. You're gonna hold it up. Hear the fuel pump turn on. And you can tell that you can hear the generator running. All right, if you want to work the bucket from this position, make sure that this trigger is down for lower controls. And here's your raise function, your lower, your counterclockwise, your clockwise movement or rotation, extend and retract functions, and bucket stow and unstow. In order for these functions to work, you have to hold down the green button and keep it held while you move whatever function you want to operate. So for this instance, we're going to hold down the green button and we're going to raise the boom at the same time. I'm doing this one hand. So green button down, boom raise, and it raises it up. Now we'll bring it back down, still holding down the green button, and boom down, boom low. Brings it down. And it's the same with every function. You can let the button go and nothing will happen. Press the button down again if you want to rotate the boom which way you want to go, clockwise or counterclockwise. And same for retract and extend. I have it extend right now. Let's try a retract. It's coming in. Just extend it back out, still holding the button down. All right, and then we're gonna lower it down a little bit so I can show you some functions on the bucket side. All right, we'll let it go. Now, in order for the bucket functions to work, you're gonna have to switch over this switch to upper controls. We'll flip it over. It's kicked on to upper controls, and the remote place right here for now. Here's a little door. And basically you got the same functions on the bucket tower. And there's gonna be the same deal with this. In order for the functions to work, you're gonna have to hold this toggle switch. If you want the bucket to move fast while you're working the function, you click over to high speed, and whatever function will work, it'll work at a fast speed, or the optional low speed. It moves a little bit slower. So we're gonna go raise the bucket up. I got high speed up, and then I'm gonna trigger raise bucket, and it's raising it up high. And same thing with the other functions. Sorry, kind of threw me off. And retract and track. Let's retract it. Retracts it. But always remember, you're gonna have to have this either high speed function or low optional speed. You have to hold this in order for these functions to work on the bucket side. You can actually, if you put it back up, put it and stow it back on the truck, and you want to turn it off, you can, this button right here, down, and it'll stop the generator. And let me show you. Push to stop. And generator stop. Same thing, just like the lower control, you can push and hold it to start from on top as well. And then start it up. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.